How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the video. Now, today's just gonna be a real quick thing, just me talking about, well, as you can see in the title, this new G35 based supercar. Now, if you guys, you guys are probably familiar that a guy a few years back, a guy out of Florida made a kit car. It's called the Vader Car, whatever. And it was made off of a G35 chassis, and that's the car they used in the Suicide Squad movie where he's driving that pink looking thing down the road. Well, that was the Vader car, Vader Kit. I think it's Vader, whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. But it was a G35 base kit. It was upwards of like $100,000, a little more for the full exterior. I believe that even included the interior and a different engine swap. I think they had options for like a V8 or an electric engine option. But yeah, so they were making that kits, but then the guy stopped making them and he sold the kit off. And now I think that was like a year or 2 years ago. He stopped making them, and you can still find the kits floating around online. For a while, I really wanted to buy one because it looks so badass, but my dad just sent me this article about this new car called the Volant Supercar, and it's based off of the G35 chassis, and by the pictures I'm going to post up here, it looks like it's based off of that Vader kit. Just changed up a bit more. The front looks a little more aggressive. The taillights are definitely different. It doesn't use the stock G35 taillights anymore. A little more sleek design. However, it's supposedly going to make 800 horsepower, powered by a what is it? Where's the engine? It's powered by the C7 Z06 engine, the 6.2 liter V8 supercharged LT4. Matted to a 6-speed Mandola sequential transmission and power the rear wheels only. But it's supposed to be a mid-engine car. Supposedly 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, top speed of excess of 225 miles an hour, Brembo brakes, custom forged wheels. Supposed to be a Tesla style, center thing interior with Mercedes-Benz style cluster, and then all the like luxury amenities you can expect. This thing looks dope. It looks badass. It supposedly, oh, here it is. It's gonna cost $250,000. That's a lot of money. That's a hell of a lot of money. But it looks badass though. I mean, just from the outside pictures, and this whole time, guys, I'll be posting the Vader kit and then this now Volant kit. But yeah, it's still the G35 based, and but $225,000. Holy fuck, that's a lot. That's a lot of money, but it's worth it. I think it's definitely worth it. This is gonna be badass. 800 horsepower, mid-engine car. The C7 engine. Yeah, I think that's definitely a supercar right there. That's gonna make more horsepower than the new C8, whatever that just came out, the new mid-engine Corvette. This will definitely be worth it. I would really love if hopefully someone buys one of these, because that'll be awesome. I wish I had the money to afford that. It'll probably never happen. They did say that they will have each one will be hand built and customized to the owner's specifications. So maybe if I hit them up and I'll just tell them I just want the basics of the basic. Like, I don't want your base model. I want the base of a base model, and maybe that'll drop the price $25,000, right? But I don't know, I just thought I'd talk about that real quick because this definitely looks badass. I can't wait to hear more about it, read more about it, And I'll post a link in the article that you guys could read it yourselves and check it out. But yeah, I think it's cool. I'm glad that that kit is going to still stay around, because a lot of people talk shit about the Vader kit because of how it looked and all that. I loved it though. I liked it because it's unique. You will not see anything like that else on the road, and that's the reason why I liked it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the comments on what you thought of the Vader kit and what you think of this Volant. And yeah, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.